it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not uploading videos. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and when you tap on the plus icon at the bottom, and then hit upload at the bottom right corner. Here, for example, I'm going to choose a random video, and then hit next, and then next. So if you go through all these tabs and then hit post and the video is not posted, here in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Well, go back and then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Here, a list of options will appear, so choose the last option, Settings and Privacy. And now scroll all the way down. And from Cache and Cellular, tap on the first option, Free App Space. After that, choose Cache and then hit Clear. Now confirm. Another thing to fix this problem, go to Google Play Store. After that, go to the search bar and type in TikTok. Now hit search. As you see here, if it says update, then you need to update your app. So I'm gonna tap on update. So this might be the problem. When the app is not updated, then you can't upload videos on TikTok. So make sure that the app is updated. And this is it. This is how to fix TikTok not uploading videos. Thanks for watching. See ya.